Hey guys, welcome back to the Kinwoven home. My name is Sharrah. Today, we are gonna be talking about how in the world do you go about making your house feel like a cozy home and feel like the place that you wanna be. And today we're gonna be focusing on something that this channel has talked a lot about: how to pick a color palette for your home. What do you do if the person you live with has a different style than you? What are some tricks that I could use to make my space overall feel light and bright and beautiful? And I'm going to show you a couple of tips that are pretty quick and inexpensive, and I truly am just so excited to share all of that content with you guys. Okay, you guys ready to get started? Here we go.